Hello TBill fans, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is for super savers who wanted to know how to buy new issue Treasury bills on TD Ameritrade. New issue T-bills are new batches of Treasury bills that the US government sells directly to investors via their auction process. Those of you who've been on this channel for a while know that I generally prefer buying new issue T-bills at auction instead of buying already issued older bills in the secondary market. This is because participating in the auction for new T-bills is typically the least expensive way to buy T-bills, and it's also relatively easy to do. More on that later. If you're interested more in purchasing Treasury notes and or bonds, no worries. The process for buying new Treasury notes and bonds is similar to that for buying new T-bills. Now, if you're new to T-bills, be sure to take a look at this Treasury bill checklist here on the top 9 things that you need to know about T-bills before diving into a T-bill investment. I've linked the relevant video below in case you're interested in further details. Here's what I'll cover in today's video. How to find out when your new T-bills are available for purchase. How to buy a new T-bill at TD Ameritrade step by step. And what the fees are for buying Treasury bills from TD Ameritrade. The government sells new issue T-bills via US Treasury auctions, and different maturity T-bills are issued on different days of the week. And if you're looking to buy a 52-week T-bill, that's not even available every week. It's only available every 4 weeks. This means you need to know when the T-bill you want to buy will actually be available for purchase with TD Ameritrade. This video here will show you how to figure these dates out. I've linked it in the description below as well. Figuring out when the T-bill you want to buy will actually be available for purchase with your broker is the very first step. Otherwise, when you log into your TD Ameritrade account, you may not find the T-bill you're looking for. And in some instances, you won't find any new issue T-bills at all. First, I'll log into my TD Ameritrade account. Here's my dashboard. Now I'll go to Research and Ideas up here. From the pull-down menu, I'll click on New Issues on the lower right corner here. And I'll be taken to this Bonds and CDs New Issues screen. If I scroll down, I'll see this Treasury Auctions section. I'll click on View All. And here I am at the New Issues Treasury Auctions page. Take a note of this box here that says Estimated Price Not Available on Auction Orders. Remember, with new issue T-bills, I'll only know the price I'm paying and the rate I'll be getting on auction day after the competitive bidding process amongst the big banks and other institutional investors is over. Now, if I keep scrolling down, I'll see a long list of Treasury auctions. The ones with the radio buttons in this column, the circles next to them, are the ones that are available for purchase. The ones without the radio buttons are auctions that have already taken place. This column here shows the security type. This column shows the auction date. And this one here shows the minimum purchase quantity. The 1 stands for a minimum purchase quantity of $1,000 per auction security. This column shows the maximum purchase quantity. And in this instance, the $5,000 here equates to a maximum purchase quantity of $5 million per auction security. This column shows when the Treasury security was announced. Basically, when the security first became available for purchase on TD Ameritrade. And do note, as you can see from these auctions here, that TD Ameritrade does not appear to offer new issue 17-week T-bills at the time of this taping. If you find that this changes by the time you watch this, please drop a comment below and let the community know. Right, so I'm going to select the 4-week T-bill here as I typically do for these tutorials. And then under Buy Quantity, I'll put in a 1 to buy $1,000 of 4-week T-bills. Then I'll click on Review Order. And here's the review order page that pops up. I'm going to make sure that everything is correct. Here and here it shows the security I'm buying, a 4-week Treasury bill. Here's the date the auction opened, also typically referred to as the announcement date, as it was on the previous screen and as on the Treasury Direct calendar. Here's the date the auction closes, the auction date basically, when I find out the price I'll be paying for this $1,000 face value or par value of 4-week T-bills. With TD Ameritrade, I have to place my order before 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time for new issue T-bill auctions. And if anyone knows whether TD Ameritrade offers auto roll or auto reinvestment of proceeds upon T-bill maturity, please also leave a comment below for our super savers. Okay, going back to the review order screen, here's the settlement date, and here it shows that I'm buying a Treasury at auction. On the right-hand side, there's an estimated price for the trade. As I mentioned earlier, I won't know the final price until the auction is over on the auction date. But I do know that it will be less than this estimated price of $1,000 because T-bills trade at a discount to this face value or par value. Now that I've confirmed that everything is correct, I'll just go ahead and click Place Order. And this is the screen that pops up. It says pending here because the auction has not happened yet. I log back into my account and click on My Account, then Transactions. And on this history and statement screen that appears next, I scroll down and here's the price I paid for my $1,000 face value or par value of 4-week T-bills. This here is the price per $100 of face value or par value, which is exactly the same as the price found on Treasury Direct's auction results page. Zero fees. That's the great news. TD Ameritrade charges zero fees on Treasury auction transactions. But be aware that if you do decide to pick up the phone and speak with a human being, trades placed through a fixed income specialist carry an additional charge. If any of you have done this, again, leave the TD Ameritrade T-bill fans a message below and let them know how much that additional charge is. Okay, Super Saver, I hope this video has helped take some of the mystery and anxiety out of buying new issue T-bills from TD Ameritrade. And if you're curious to see which T-bills I currently hold in some of my accounts, then take a look here at this video on how I built my 60,000 T-bill ladder to take advantage of rising rates in this current volatile market. As always, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget that thumbs up and see you again soon with another exciting wealth building video.